If you want to become an online seller, then you must have heard about Amazon FBA, fulfilled by Amazon. In this business model, the seller, you, selects the product they would like to sell, you then find a supplier and order, package and ship the products. The goods are housed in an Amazon fulfillment center and the rest is up to them. This model is a little complex and has pros and cons. However, it is an attractive venture once you understand it. If you have done your research and decided that you want to try Amazon FBA out, you obviously want to get things up and running. So where do you start? Step 1. Select your first product. This is the hardest step in this entire process. It can also be time-consuming. The product you choose will either break or make your business. A product that is rather expensive, being offered by too many sellers, or one that has little to no demand, may not be profitable at all. Take time to research the market, brainstorm and talk to different suppliers. Brainstorm the market, then choose a niche market. Explore what you are passionate about. Think outside the box, make a long list, and then narrow down the ideas. Research the market. Once you have a product in mind, conduct intense market research. Check major retailers to see the average price list of the item. A quick keyword search is also useful. Visit a site like MerchantWords so you know what keywords consumers search for. Next, check best sellers rankings to see how your product is doing. Avoid competition with well-established products or brand names. Brand names are not easy to compete with. The same goes for well-established products, unless you have a brilliant idea on how to break into a market. Step 2. Product source. This is another difficult step. Where will you get the product from? Find a supplier. Try sources that are outside the USA such as Alibaba. You can get quality products at a lower price. Ship your products. Figure out whether you will ship by air, boat or train. For international shipping, make sure you understand customs procedures and laws. After you receive the products, package the products in preparation for the Amazon Fulfillment Center. Amazon has strict guidelines in place. Outsource this task if you cannot do it efficiently. Step 3. Market your products. Listing the product on Amazon will make it visible to consumers, but there are still other steps involved. Optimize the product description. What makes your product awesome? Say it in the description and add clear pictures. SEO keywords play a huge part here. Find ways to advertise. Look for a low-cost option such as a PPC, pay-per-clicks program. Facebook is another great platform for advertising. Gather product reviews. Multiple positive reviews will boost your sales. Send your item to a product reviewer or ask for an endorsement from people with many followers.